Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Oliver Smith.
All right, today's a great day to go take a hike, take a walk, go do a lot of things outside because we have a lot of sunshine. Temperatures really aren't too bad, but they are chilly, but they're going to be warming up into the day. In fact, it's 30 right now in Lakeview, 40 in Klamath Falls. We've made it all into the mid 40s up and down I-5. 41 now. Grants Pass has finally broke out of the 30-degree barrier and into the low 40s. So we have high pressure over us right now. We have another system offshore. Basically what's going to happen is this low pressure is going to get close to this high pressure. These lines are going to get really tight, which is going to create a lot of wind. So that's what we're going to be dealing with the next couple of systems. Pretty good wind event, not so much with the rain. So our forecast for today, we're looking at 40s east the Cascades, 50s west the Cascades, 58 is the forecast high for Medford. The wind will be picking up especially later in the day today, and it'll be breezy tonight. We'll be looking at variable clouds. Clouds will be increasing from that system, especially along the Oregon coast. We'll be looking at rain closer towards morning, but temperatures dropping into the 20s and 30s, so a little bit milder because of the cloud cover. Now the wind, we're going to be seeing that, especially tomorrow afternoon. We have wind advisories for east parts of the Klamath Basin for a good chunk of the day for tomorrow, so you can see wind gusts will be pretty strong. We could be looking at 30 to 40 miles an hour in terms of wind gusts, or even stronger than that, especially in some areas. Now we get to Sunday, same kind of scenario, could be looking at a little bit more in terms of wind, especially east the Cascades. So again, this is going to be more of a wind event, not so much more with the rain, but we will be looking at that rain increasing tonight along the Oregon coast. Overnight, once we get towards morning, sunrise, closer towards that, we'll be starting to see that rain move inland, and then we'll start looking at the lower elevation snow. Snow levels about 4,000 feet with this particular system, but you see how it just blows right through our area. We go from like a rain, quick bit of showers, and then it kind of dries out. And here's our next system along the Oregon coast. Again, almost the exact same timing. So it's like a 1-2 punch, but neither one of these are going to be like a toad strangler kind of a rain event or a snow event. So we're going to be looking at still lower elevation snows. But again, you can see it's pretty widespread, and then it quickly moves out of the area and turns into showers. So that's what we're going to be looking at over the weekend. But both these systems, though, will be creating a lot of wind. Rainfall amounts, again, not a whole lot west of the Cascades, less than 2/10 of an inch of rain. Standard amounts along the Oregon coast, about a 1/2 inch to an inch of rain. Now, snow levels, right now, doesn't really matter because it's dry, but this should be about 4,000 feet for a good chunk of the day tomorrow. Now, snowfall amounts, what we're going to be looking at from tonight all the way through Saturday. We're looking at light snow amounts east of the Cascades for east side passes, so not really a big travel concern, but we could be looking at 3 to 8 inches, though, along the Oregon Cascades. So our forecast, though, for the Oregon coast, temperature staying in the 50s for today, cooling off upper 40s, but plenty of rain for the next couple of days after today. For Northern California, same kind of scenario. The wind will pick up. We'll be looking dry today, more rain and higher elevation snow from Saturday all the way through Tuesday before we start to dry out. Klamath Basin, we'll be looking at more rain and snow showers for the weekend. Temperatures getting kind of cold, especially by the time we get towards Sunday night and into Monday morning. Cascade, same scenario. We'll be looking at some pretty good rain and snow. Snow levels shouldn't be super high with any of these particular systems, so that's good, at least in terms of keeping our snowpack up there. And here in the Rogue Valley, nice day for today. It's not going to be the greatest outdoor weather this weekend. We'll have to wait until about Wednesday for that to happen.